Hey, good evening, guys. So let's look at this chart right quick. Let's see what's going on. So we just got a flash crash down on the daily chart. We got a quick little wick down. I did say it need to break the 17,000. We got right at 17,130. That's very, very close. I think we may start to see now that we will be going to the downside. This is what we're gonna look for. We're gonna look for price to come to rally back up to around the 18 right here. I'm just go ahead and put a level right here. All right, this was support. We just broke the support. We're gonna come back. We're gonna retest the new support. I mean, the support was broken, so now it's gonna become the new resistance. So this is resistance now. All right. So we can expect for price to do this. We're gonna have price to come back up to here, test this area, and then we're gonna look to go lower. Okay. That's what I'm expecting based off of this. Let's see, we get rid of that. All right. So already price is retreating and come back. Okay. So anybody who's trading off of leverage, the conservative traders are about to go short now. Let's take a look at let's look at sentiment. All right. Look at the daily sentiment and let's look at BTC and let's see what's happening. This will give us a idea where we at. Okay, Bitcoin. Now look at this. 81% are long. Anybody knows once you take my one of my trading courses I got coming, this sentiment is huge. 81% is long. If 81% is long, that means that uh the bulls are about to get taken out. All right. So if 81% is long, 19% short. But the question is, if the market continues to go long in the spot market or in the leverage market, derivative market, or whatever, remember, most markets are moved because of the derivatives, guys. A lot of people are not really truly owning these assets that we're trading. There's a whole nother market out there that has these assets traded on contracts. All right. You cannot pay out 81%, 97% people on these contracts. Look right here. Ripple is 94%. 94% is long, but 6% short. Who's going to pay out these 94% people? That's what you have to understand. Who's going to pay these people out? There's no money to be paid if everybody wins. So therefore, the market has to be going to go down. Why? Because 94% have what? Protected stop losses in place, guys. This video is not going to be popular. This video is not going to go viral because I'm giving you the game. All right. This is game that I'm giving you that that we're not seeing. I'm not supposed to give you this game, but I'm giving it to you. That it falls into the right hands. 94% bullish, 91, 81%, 91 on these. All these, they're gonna go down. Watch. Why? Because 94% of the people have their stop losses below at key levels. And they gotta get out there and they gotta cover their position. And then when the sentiment goes to 90% bearish, what you think is gonna happen? The markets go up. Okay, guys, look at this. We on the weekly. This XRP, we're down to 55 cents. I've already given the zones on another chart. Let me see if I can find that chart on here. Look at this. Look at this, guys. All right. Let me see if I can find my chart. Because I think I did it on the Coinbase one. Instead, Coinbase. See right here. Here we go. Look at this. Man, I told look. Y'all gonna stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? I sit here and I look at my zone. My zone right here, it's getting close. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. Watch, price gonna retreat, come back up here. It's gonna test these levels right here. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. And I'm gonna make it simple. Nobody gonna take these long, drawn out, long courses and just all the garbage. No. You're gonna get this quick and you're gonna get it and you're gonna continue to practice it over and over. Do those simple little things over, 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 and over again until you get it. Simplicity. Stop self sabotaging, making things difficult. Nobody got time to be reading no 500 books. Nobody got time to read 500 articles. Nobody cares about the deep intricacies of blockchain understanding all the way down to the software and the codes and the algorithms and the mathematical equations that go along with it. No, you just need to understand what problems does these companies that are behind these blockchains and the developers, what problems do they solve? All right. And then you look at the price point, and then you look at key areas of the market where price can go, and you understand the fundamentals and the technicals. Even though I just said a lot, it's really not that much, guys. I come into a market, I want to see something. We want to see. This was what? Consolidation. Price just broke out of the consolidation. We have rules for that. When price breaks the consolidation, we wait for a retest. But what direction? Is either going to break to the north or the south. This one broke to the south. Therefore, we want to wait for a retest of the area of support that was broken. That support now becomes the new resistance. Okay? You look left, these were areas of market structure that price left. Now price may come back. Everything that goes up must comes down. And for the most part, what goes down must comes up in a healthy market. But if something's going out of business and is being defunct, then no. But for the most part, it will rally. So already on XRP, you already see my zones. It's doing this. So I told you the other day on a video with this. Look at this. Who bought right there? None of my people should have bought right there. You a fool. I call you a fool. And you'll always be a fool if you don't get this correct. You should not be buying right there. There's no reason you should be buying right there. There's no indication of buying right there. Nothing. That is a clear bull trap. Even if the market went higher, you still, if you're gonna buy right here, you know what? You know the only reason why you would buy right here is this right here. Let me show you. This is the only reason you should buy at this point up here. I'll show you right quick. All right, here we go. This is resistance. This is it. Price do this. Price comes back right here. Bam. This is the only time you will buy this price point because it's given, and it's if price closes above this level too. It's another little key little thing. All right, and then once that price is there and closes above, it gives you confirmation that we are in a uptrend, and therefore we're going higher. All right. This what is this? That's just resistance. It didn't give anything. It didn't do it. Nothing happened. You just bought in the thin air. You gotta have landmarks. You gotta have structure, support. You bought in the middle of the ocean without a paddle. Now you're just getting floated, and then you're just going wherever the current takes you, the waves, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we broke. You wait, retest, confirmation. You get in. All right. Why we don't just want to break on? Why we don't want to buy on a breakout? Because almost 80% of breakouts fail. This is a breakout. This broke out. What did it break out of? This. It broke out and it failed. Look at it from here to here, or see this area right here. This is resistance. Price what broke and it fell. So yeah, pay attention to that. Let's go back over here to BTC. We'll see what's happening. All right. See, we still got price ranging back up. We on a daily. We go down to the hourly. Okay, we got a little a pin bar form. Throw some moving averages on the chart. All right. Now we're in danger zone. Well, danger could be look. So this could be bad for someone if you was long on a on a derivative contract. So you about to get ate up. But somebody else is also short in this market and they're getting paid. All right. They took out some short positions or some um they're just selling it on a forex type market. All right. They don't hit the sell button. Okay. So now they're down. They're up on their sale. But here's the thing: we're below the moving averages. That's a bearish sentiment, guys. Let's go on each time frame. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. We are below the 20 and the 50. So that's still going to the downside. And here's the thing with the daily. Okay, for the daily. So here's the only thing that I can give you that is somewhat decent. Somewhat decent. Still not all the way. It came and it kissed and touched the 20 on the daily. This would have been a buying signal. So someone would have bought right here who understands moving averages. They would have bought. All right. So like right here, you see how price crossed over on the 20? It's buying opportunities. Anytime we get close and it does this. All right. We now have to see if price breaks and closes below. Now I did say this would be the target if it breaks 17,000. I need to be a little bit more clear with that. It need to close below 17. But since it did flash a little bit, that still could be a sign that we still could come down here. Still need to close below. Closing below gives the more of the confirmation for the conservative trader. For the aggressive trader, they may be saying already, hey man, we're going short. And they may be go ahead and get short. For me, if I was trading the other side of this, I would need to see it go close below. But everything is setting up, all right, to that we could come back down to this price range, which would be wonderful, really. Okay. Because there's a lot of you guys did not build any of your positions on the altcoins correctly. So you got an opportunity to go back in and you can build. Okay. So it's like a second chance to get the train is coming back to the station. Get ready to load up. But I hope to have this thing finished this week with this course. I'm trying to make this course so like simple, short. Ain't nobody trying to break nobody's pockets with this stuff either, man. It's if you're already a member of the Dark Horse Coins group, y'all already gonna get that. You know what I'm saying, without anything. So you'll have that. But y'all be on the lookout. I'll let you know. But yeah, I just want to make technical analysis easy, guys. Like, yeah, it's not really difficult. The most difficult thing is actually um psychology. Understanding your mind, your emotions, and self sabotage. And that's the huge thing. So I hope that helped, guys. I do some more videos and I keep y'all updated. All right.